Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am super excited to share with you this huge flower haul that I am going to be unboxing. Now this video is not a sponsored video. This is simply just me sharing with you one of my favorite vendors that I like to go to when I need flowers. Okay, now if you're an event planner or you're planning a wedding, this vendor is by far one of the best vendors that I've ever used and that I always finding myself going back to if I ever need my flowers in bulk or if I ever need my flowers customized. This vendor is on the top of my list. This vendor is really great at customizing whatever variety, range, type of flowers you would like. So that's exactly what I did with this order. I did get all these flowers customized because I wanted them to be all cohesive. I have about 8 boxes here filled up with flowers in them. In this order, it was for 6 big flower balls, 2 long runners, 3 candelabras, circle runners, another 3 backdrop runners. So yeah, it's a lot that's in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly share it with you guys. Stay tuned. So the name of the vendor is, which I've shared before on my channel, is Angela Flowers. I will link their website in the description box underneath this video. So definitely check that out. So let's go ahead and open the box and take a look at our first floral customization. One of the things that I forgot to mention is shipping time. Now, once you've spoken with the vendor, a great way to communicate with them is through WhatsApp. If you have a WhatsApp on your phone, they will give you a contact information and you can reach out to them from WhatsApp and you can talk to them directly. So make sure you have a concept or an idea of what type of floral arrangement you would like, what type of flowers you would like. They can share ideas with you as well, but it will be great if you can also share ideas with them, share the size that you want, share the shape that you want, share the colors that you want. Once you're done letting them know how you would like for your floral to be customized, they will go ahead and put that together for you, which doesn't take long at all. Okay, this is just like a small little gift that they incorporated in my order. Okay, so let's see which one is this. Okay, so this is a runner, and as you can see, everything is still very well intact. Let me go ahead and take them out. This is for a table runner. I will be using this for a 8-foot or a 6-foot long table so I can get that cascading look. So this is exactly what this is for. This is 6 feet long. Now I did give him a flower combo that I wanted for this customization, and some of the flowers that's in this is peonies, Austin roses, Delilahs, snapdragons, hydrangeas, roses, spray roses. So this is a combo of all of that that's in this arrangement, and this is going to be the same flower combination that's going to be for all of my flower arrangement. And then the back of it, so this is how it looks, the back. Okay, now this is a shorter runner. This is, I ordered 3 of the shorter runners, and it's going to be for backdrop, but you can also use this for pretty much anywhere in your event, whether it was for a table centerpiece or a runner that you would like to do on a long table. You can definitely use that for that. And they do attach their card on here. Okay, here's the back. All right. So in this bag is my smaller flower heads, and look how cute they look. These flower heads are about, I think 35 centimeters. 35 in diameter. So look on how they look. Look how cute this look. So that pop of color that's on there is a peachy color, which I think is beautiful to have, and it's so realistic looking, and it's natural. And this is a beautiful natural color. I love to incorporate this type of color into my arrangement just because it gives me this beautiful natural feel. So this is how the bottom look. One of the things that I do love to do when I am ordering my orders like this in bulk, I love to get like a base color that I know I can use for all of my events. Okay, I do not like getting like a full blue color or a full red color. I like to get colors I know I can reuse over and over and over again. And I also love to get quality flowers that I know that that's not going to finish after one use. I love to make sure that I store them properly so that I can always have them to reuse. Even though I do work with fresh flowers, when working with silk flowers, it's also great to have in your inventory because for the simple fact that you can always invest in them and always reuse them for any event that you're hosting. If you have an event that's a particular color, a particular style, you can still go ahead and customize it yourself. But the good thing is at least you have the overall base on what you want. You have the overall colors. So the colors that I love to start with is ivory cream and a little bit of white. So I like to mix these three colors together. Simply the fact that they all go great together. It gives your floral a natural, beautiful look. It doesn't look fake for events. It looks like the real thing. Now, if your client wants a particular color, like such as blush, you can incorporate blush in there. If they want another color in there, such as red, you can incorporate your red in there. So I also love the fact that they did put a lot of extra loose flowers in there for me to add on, which I like, with stems in them. So this right here is my big floral arrangement. Now this is 60 centimeters in diameter. That's the size of this flower. So look how big this looks. So this is gonna go on a bigger vase, and this is how the bottom looks. So yeah, so I did order about 6 of these big flower heads. So look how beautiful it looks right out of the bag. Just look how beautiful. Everything is intact. You don't have any loose flowers coming apart. Everything still looks very well put together. The flowers are great, great qualities. So comment below, what do you guys think so far? This is how the bottom looks. It's a flat surface. You can put it on top of geometric stand, vases, urns, whatever you got, you can put it on top of, which I love. So this right here is the flower rings. So I got 3 of this floral circle ring for my candelabra. I am going to be putting these 10 arms candelabra through this, those candelabras through this. So this is how it looks. The back looks. Okay. So if you're an event planner, this is a great option that you can do. If you would like to not have to work so much for a particular event, one of the things you can do is get a vendor that can customize all of your flowers for you. It'll make your workload a lot easier. One of the things I always say here on my channel is you want to work smarter and not harder. If you like videos like this, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video. That lets me know you guys love it when I share some of my top vendors with you guys for events. If you are a bride looking for where to shop for flowers, if you're an event planner who's looking for where you can find vendors to shop for flowers, definitely thumbs up this video. Comment your thoughts and let me know. Yes, please share vendors with me in the comment section. And this is part of a segment that I can do with you guys.